Welcome to this new meditation. Take a moment to get comfortable. Whether you are sitting or lying down, allow your body to find a stable and relaxed position. Gently close your eyes if that feels good for you and begin to turn your attention inward. Now, take 3 deep breaths, breathing in slowly through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, releasing any tension with each breath. Feel your body settle into the space you are in, right here and now. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go. We are going to explore the sensations in the body through their opposites, welcoming everything that arises with an open curiosity. Now, bring your awareness to your face. Notice any warmth or coolness on your skin. Perhaps some areas feel relaxed, like your cheeks or forehead, while others may feel more tense, like your jaw. Take a moment to repeat this affirmation to yourself. I accept the presence of tension and relaxation in my face. Everything is exactly as it should be. Now, bring your attention to your shoulders and arms. Do you feel lightness in some areas or heaviness in others? Perhaps you notice a sensation of density in your shoulders, as if they are carrying a load. Do your arms feel heavy, gently drawn down by gravity? Or maybe you sense lightness, a fluidity that contrasts with the stability of your shoulders. Notice to any warmth or coolness moving through your arms. Perhaps a subtle vibration, a tingling sensation, or a feeling of stillness. Take a moment to repeat this affirmation to yourself. I welcome the lightness and the weight in my shoulders and arms. They remind me of my strength, my flexibility, and my ability to let go. Now, bring your attention gently to your chest. Observe the sensation present there, without judgment. Do you feel a sense of openness with each inhale, followed by a gentle release as you exhale? Perhaps your breathing is smooth, unfolding with ease and extending that feeling of openness within your chest. Or perhaps it feels irregular or shallow, bringing a sense of slight discomfort, tightness, or even protection and closure, particularly around the heart. The sensation may be subtle or more pronounced, but they are there, always offering something to learn. Whatever arises, it's all valid. Simply be present in whatever is there. And gently repeat, my breath nourishes my heart. It flows in and out, creating moments of openness and protection. I accept this natural dance between the two. Now, bring your attention to your belly. You might feel a gentle warmth, a sense of calm and security. Or perhaps less comfortable sensations like tightness, heaviness, pressure, or even a knot. Welcome them all, without judgment. Feel how your breath naturally moves in this area. Maybe the air moves freely here, bringing relaxation and openness. But sometimes, if this part of the body is more contracted, the breath may be shorter or lighter, more shallow. No matter the rhythm of your breath, welcome it as it is. Your breath is always an ally, a guide in this journey of inner kindness. And gently repeat to yourself, I welcome all sensations in my belly. Whether light or tense, each sensation helps me connect more deeply to my body and emotions. Now, bring your attention to your hips and legs. Do you feel stability in some areas or instability in others? Perhaps one leg feels more grounded, as if it is deeply connected to the earth, while the other feels lighter, almost as if lifting off the ground, barely touching the surface. Welcome the variations in how your legs and hips feel in connection with the ground. Perhaps you feel a contrast between warmth in your thighs and coolness lower down toward your feet. Notice any subtle vibrations moving through your muscles, a light tingling emerging in some spots, or a sensation of stillness. Gently repeat to yourself, I welcome the stability and lightness in my legs. They offer me the balance I need to move forward. Finally, bring your attention to your feet. Perhaps the sensation of contact is more noticeable in your heels or toes. Do you feel stability or lightness? Feel to any warmth or coolness in your feet? And repeat to yourself, I welcome both the stability and the lightness in my feet. They ground me and offer the balance and connection I need to move through the world. Now, expand your awareness to include your whole body. Imagine each sensation, pleasant or unpleasant, strong or subtle, like waves meeting and blending in a peaceful ocean. Feel how these contrasts coexist peacefully within you, creating a rich and complete experience. And repeat to yourself, I am whole, made up of opposites that complement each other. I am whole, made up of opposites that complement each other. Every sensation enriches my experience. I accept all that is. Every sensation enriches my experience. I accept all that is. In the diversity of sensations and in acceptance, I find unity and peace. In the diversity of sensations and in acceptance, I find unity and peace. Take one more moment to notice what you feel in your body without trying to analyze or change anything. Simply allow yourself to be present with the sensation as they are in this moment. And when you are ready, gently return to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And slowly open your eyes.